Bitcoin hit 104,000. We're sitting at about 103,000 by the time I'm recording this video. Are we going to visit the all-time high, bust through that, or are we going to retrace a bit? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, this is Joel Peterson. I've got a couple friends that we just met walking here in Vienna, and this is Armand and Abul.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, and they saved us from some gangsters coming out of a bathroom who wanted to beat us up. Just teasing, just teasing. No, but we're talking to these guys. These guys are in middle school. They're awesome. And I want to interview you guys. So we're out here traveling, and in my business, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys know about Bitcoin? Have you heard of that?
Yeah,
Crypto.
it's a
Yeah.
cryptocurrency.
Yes,
From-
yes,
I don't know who made it, but
yeah,
I heard back then it was like,
yeah,
it has many, it was like,
yeah.
its worth, net worth was like very much.
Yeah.
Now it's very small.
Ah, so have you ever bought any Bitcoin? No.
I'm too
Okay.
young. When the
Too young.
Bitcoin was made, I was
Little.
an infant.
Yeah. Have you heard?
No.
No. Okay, good. So it's the future of money. I'll say
I
that.
think,
Yeah, good. Would you buy some someday
Yeah.
when you're older? Okay, good. Hey everybody, those were a couple kids that we ran into as my wife and I were walking in the park. We are in Vienna, Austria. We just got here this evening, trying to shoot this video before we lose the sunlight. And these two kids are really cool. One was from Iran and the other was from Afghanistan originally. Cool kids. They said they learned English by watching Mr. Beast videos. So I put them in this video, and I'm going to surprise them and send them a text and tell them they're famous. So I asked them about what Bitcoin is, and they had heard of it. They'd heard that it hit 100K, but they thought they were too young to buy it. And I told them, you're never too young to buy Bitcoin. In fact, before I get into today's topic, I always say, you want the best savings account? Take 10% of your paycheck and just buy Bitcoin. Just do that over time and you'll be a happy camper. Not financial advice. I call that not financial advice. Is that what they call that? Alrighty guys, so let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hit a little over 104,000 yesterday. Yesterday, and hit 100 and played around with about 103,000 today. Just before I checked the price here, we're sitting at that level here. So we hit the 702 fib retracement level, and at the same exact time, we also hit that on the total altcoin market cap as well. I believe it was the total market cap right at the exact same time. Ethereum started breaking out. Could this be the start of an altcoin season? It's very, very possible. Now remember, these things don't just go straight up in a straight line. They can have a pullback, and especially when we had a really nice run up, it's very, very possible that we're going to consolidate here a little bit, or we could just bust straight up, possibly hit 120 to 150,000 here very, very shortly. You know, maybe even by June timeframe, and that would take everyone by surprise. People would not believe that. They would look at that and say, "Oh my gosh, Bitcoin would." I mean, we really have. This is what we call a lockout rally, and so that's the thing about Bitcoin is Bitcoin does Bitcoin things, and it'll surprise people. And just remember, just as fast as Bitcoin can pump, it can dump just as fast. So get ready. This is the final angle of Bitcoin. Good chance that we're going to see fireworks this year. Doesn't mean it's going to go up in a straight line, but we have broken through, and good things are ahead of us. Now, does that mean you should rush out and buy? Here's the thing: dips are for buying. You generally don't want to just rush in and start buying when your price pumps. Remember, you want to buy on red and sell on green. Now, here's the thing: most people should be accumulating Bitcoin when our market top indicators are showing you that we are below the line, especially when the buy and extreme buy areas, especially if you want to play with the altcoins. Some of the altcoins that we've been talking about the last several months have been in the buy and extreme buy areas. For example, Virtuals protocol, and I'm not telling you to go get Virtuals, and many of these altcoins are very, very risky. That thing just shot up like 43% like in one day. But just as fast as many of these altcoins will shoot up, they will also pull back. So get ready, make sure you lock in those profits. That's the thing about altcoins, is they can go up tremendously. Many of them will probably just be getting started, but probably be select altcoins. It's not going to be all altcoins. That's an important thing to understand. I talked about that on yesterday's video. Not all altcoins will pump. They'll probably be very select, and they'll probably rotate. So if you're playing the altcoin game, keep that in mind, that not all altcoins are pumped. So Ethereum will probably see all-time highs by the time we get to the peak of this bull market, and nobody knows when that's going to be. Is it going to be this year? Is it going to be next year? But you know, we're probably looking at a good 5,000 to 8,000 total on Ethereum. That doesn't mean you go out and buy Ethereum right now. This is just probabilities, not certainties. You can never know what can happen in the markets. But things are looking good. A lot of people have been locked out. You're going to get to the point where people start calling you, texting you, talking about Bitcoin. It's when you get into these phases of the market, when just the average Joe on the street starts talking about Bitcoin, that you want to start, remember, locking in those profits. In fact, if you're in profit right now, it's never a bad idea to go ahead and lock some of those profits in right now. So congratulations to those of you that are in the crypto code and are in massive profit already. I do believe the party is just getting started, and be ready for pullbacks, which is normal. And if we do continue on this final angle, you're going to see what Bitcoin can do. Bitcoin will do Bitcoin things. Now just keep in mind, markets tend to follow the stock market. Again, don't believe that things will get uncorrelated. You'll usually find the balance, and it'll get right back to where it was. And so once the stock market dumps, whether other economic factors come into place, economies, recessions, those things all take into effect. So keep that in mind. Guys, it's a great time to be in crypto. If you want to learn what we do, how we take our trades, whether you want to day trade, whether you want to take our premium trade alerts, which is getting very close to a 93% win rate. And by the way, congratulations. You guys have been crushing it on those premium trade alerts. We've had some massive profits on those. So congratulations for you guys that are taking those, both long and short trades. Those of you guys that have been doing our wave bot strategies, congratulations to you as well. I know when everyone gets into crypto, they want to make money like immediately from day one. But you'll find that the longer you're in crypto, the more serious you take it, the more you stay in and take it step by step by step, the better you're going to do, and the more profitable that you'll be. Alright guys, out in Vienna, Austria tomorrow. I'm actually going to the dentist. I have a toothache that I gotta go. I've got a little dental appointment. Hopefully we'll get something to take care of that real quick, and then we're gonna go tour Vienna. I've been here before, so I kind of know what to expect, but it's a beautiful evening here. There's a bunch of ships all parked together. So thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you can get a video like this every single day. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life and anything you do. We'll see you in another video, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.